welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so here I am at the Goodwill, just walking around to see what they have. This is a different location, so I'm not really used to it, but let's check it out. Come on with me, guys. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So now on this channel here, I host quite a bit of collaborations pretty much for every niche. If you like Dollar Tree shopping, if you like home decor shopping, if you like hauls and you enjoy DIYs, and this is the channel for you. Okay, so this is also a quick reminder that today we have the winter/Christmas tier tray collaboration. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself and Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. And now also remember that you can decorate one tier tray, you can make a tier tray. You can decorate multiple tier trays and they could be either winter related. We're not even in Thanksgiving yet, so you could still do a Thanksgiving tier tray. I myself did 3, so just enjoy yourself, guys. This is all about having fun and enjoying the season. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.